Press, hold, and drag the middle mouse button to orbit the view. Mouse wheel, up, to zoom in. Tab, to go to edit mode. 3, to face select. Select this side face, and X, to delete. Let's add the solidify modifier. In edit mode, type 2 to edge select. Let's select this edge and Ctrl B to bevel. Use the mouse wheel up to add more segments. Do you see the visible shade colors on the surface of the mesh? I've shown you how to use Auto Smooth in the past, but Auto Smooth won't do anything unless the material was smoothed first. Ctrl 1 to subdivide. The subsurf modifier won't cause the normal issues either. We'll start to see the normal issues when we right-click the mesh and select Shade Smooth. Without the Auto Smooth feature, the mesh would look like this. I'll show you 3 ways to fix the normal issues in Blender. Shift D to duplicate. The first method is the usual Auto Smooth. For the second method, Tab to go to edit mode, A to select all, go to mesh, and split. The second method creates this result. The mesh was shade smoothed, but it's still showing the sharp edges. The mesh does look identical to the one that was not shade smoothed. I'm sure there's a purpose for this, but I haven't found one yet. The last method is edge split. This one works just like the first one. Normal issues do occur when we boolean 2 meshes. Let's create a Pac-Man character. I'll create a boolean mesh with a cube. We can fix the issue fast by using the Auto Smooth feature. Let's create the rest of the character. Shift-select both meshes, and Ctrl+J, to join. The eyes need to be mirrored. This is the end of the tutorial. Please like and subscribe if you have enjoyed watching this tutorial. Thank you for watching.